Okay, today is the day. We finally got the keys to the house, and I'm going to take you in to an empty house home tour. This has been very much awaited for both me and you, and we've got some work being done in the house. They're painting actually, so I'm going to show you what it looks like before the paint gets on the wall, before the appliances get installed. So this is like fresh, like I literally just picked up the keys. So you guys are the first one to see it. Chris hasn't even walked through the house yet. He is at work, so I'd love for you guys to stick around, just take a look. And oh, and forgive this, yes, it is a stress blister. I've been sick, I have been stressed to the max, but I am so thankful we are here, and I cannot wait to show you what the house looks like. So let's take a walk inside. We finally got the keys. So this is the entryway. And we will first go this side. And this is the 2-car garage. So this is where my car will be, where Chris's car will be in the 1-car garage, and this will be my stuff. And then we have appliances coming today. But here is the laundry room. And this will eventually be like a haul tree where we'll have like all the kids' backpacks and stuff, and Chris is going to build something in the model center. If you remember in the last video, this was all a cabinet and cabinets, and they call it a drop zone. So we actually had to pay to take that out because I don't need extra cabinets there. I'd rather have a place to hang all the backpacks and coats and whatnot. And coming over there, this is the half bath, which I have a lot of plans for this bathroom in here. It's actually a really great size, but I'm thinking some wallpaper and like a really grand mirror. This is gonna be Emma's room and my office. So I'll have a little desk or something in here, and then I'll have all of my stuff. Let me put you this way. Some of my stuff in here, and I'll be sharing this closet with her until she eventually goes upstairs when Drew moves out, because he is going to be a junior. And this is the bathroom. So, Miss Emma, yes, this is hers. So coming in here, this is the living room. And here is the kitchen. Again, we have appliances coming. I did the gold hardware. We're gonna do a lot of upgrades. Not a lot of upgrades, but we're gonna be doing some upgrades with the refrigerator and a new faucet. We just got builder grade, so many things, because we would rather just do it on our own. It's more cost efficient. But here is the view of the kitchen. This is Chris's 1-car garage and his man cave. So it has 3-car garage, but it's a 2 and a 1. Here's the pantry. I have so much fun stuff I want to do with this area. Wallpaper and wood shelves and whatnot. And then here's the dining room area. We did tile floors throughout the entire bottom except the baby's room. So here are the sliders and kind of the view they are about to paint. So in the next video, you guys will see some upgrades. Coming into our room, tile floors in here as well. And then this is the bathroom. There's still a punch list for the builder to do. So this is what it looks like right now. That's a double shower, and then we've got some hardware that needs to be put in, but this will be my whole area, and I've got a little vanity, which makes me so happy. And then Chris has that whole section, and I love the mirrors because it goes all the way. So here's a soaking tub. This is actually going to be coming out. The builder wouldn't let us do it, so we had to wait. We already ordered extra tile. Chris will be taking this tub completely out and doing a freestanding tub. That's on the list. This is our closet. It is one closet for both Chris and I, which is great. And we'll get a closet system in there to make it easy to have all his stuff organized. And then this is the potty. And this is the shower. So this is the shower. So we decided to carpet the stairs. We'll take that off eventually. Chris can do that, but with the kids and so many boys, you know how it goes. So we'll start off in Drew's room. It's down this way. He gets his own room, his own bathroom, his own closet, obviously his own closet, but he gets his own little ensuite area. Here I am huffing and puffing. 34 weeks is taking the breath out of me. I'm glad he'll have this room. This is really great for him. This will be Noah's room. Just a basic room for him. He'll have a bunk bed so his cousins can spend the night. And here's their bathroom. I love the double vanity. I'm really excited about that for them. Plenty of space, and we did darker cabinets up here because the white was an upgrade and I'm not going to pay that much more money. So I will give you guys a lot of details on some of the nitty-gritty stuff in a minute. This will be Josiah and Liam's room, but they're going to have twin beds here. Heading this way, here is the bonus room, playroom, media room, movie room. And that is one of the reasons why we loved this house so much, because having so many kids, we really dreamed of having somewhere for our family to go to like have like their games, all their gaming stuff. I'll have it organized and we'll have a TV there. We'll eventually get a projector for like movies, because we want our kids to have their friends here, and we're just really thankful for this space. So we are honestly just so humbled and so thankful for the house. I do have this cold sore. This has been one of the most stressful processes I have ever gone through in my entire adult life when it comes to buying a house. I've purchased houses before, but there were so many hiccups that we honestly felt like, are we on candid camera? It was so crazy. But nonetheless, we are so thankful. We're so blessed, and nothing, and I mean nothing, went the way we expected. But we just quickly learned that it was all a part of the plan, not our plan, but God's plan. And we just stay thankful and stay humbled, and a lot of hard work. I'll have the model home video down below. So if you want to know the details of how we were able to get this house, I'm very transparent, maybe to a fault, on the processes that we had to go through. And so if you want more details, I'd love for you to watch the video. It's at the end, but you'll also get to see what the model looks like and the things that we chose and we did not choose. We are very money conscious people, and we do not spend money just frivolously, except on Uber. Okay, I love to eat, but seriously, we are always looking for ways to save money, and that is something we did a great deal with this house and the design center. So there will be a lot of things that we change about the house, but you know, just like faucets, and we'll take the tub out and we'll do the pantry over, and like laundry room, like we will make it our own, and I'm really excited to share that with you guys. But we only spent money on things that we couldn't change later. So I'm so excited to be able to make it our own and share that with you guys. Lots of cleaning motivation, but lots of room makeovers and projects, and just seeing how we turn this Build a Great home, this Build a Great house, into our home. And I'm just so thankful. I'm so thankful for you guys. I love you all so much. I'd love for you to consider subscribing if you're new here. We've got so much coming up, and I'd love to share this journey. We got a baby coming in a month. Oh my gosh, in a month. I've got to move in, I've got to do a nursery, I've got to do so much stuff in a month. So I'm excited to do this with you guys. I love you all so much. Thank you for being here, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.